Bohol is an island province located in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines. If you're coming from Luzon, you can fly directly from Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila to the Bohol Panglao International Airport. Tagbilaran City is the capital of the province of Bohol. Tagbilaran is the jump-off point to Chocolate Hills, Loboc River, the Philippine Tarsier Conservation Area, and the historical and heritage sites in Bohol. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation in the Bohol province of the Philippines. The term comes from the fact that they are covered in green grass that becomes brown during the dry season. There are at least 1,260 hills, but there could be up to 1,776 hills scattered around the area. While Bohol is most known for the world-famous Chocolate Hills, it is now attracting beachgoers looking for water activities like snorkeling, diving, and dolphin watching. The Philippine tarsier, amongst the world's smallest primates, is indigenous to the island. Every visit to the Tarsier Conservatory helps to support conservation efforts and habitat for these adorable tiny creatures. Loboc River is a river in Bohol, and it is one of the major tourist destinations. This river in Bohol is known to be one of the cleanest rivers in the country. Tourists take an hour-long cruise along the river while enjoying food, drinks, and music. Bohol is just one of the numerous sites in the Philippines worth visiting. The next time you plan to visit the Philippines, make it a point to visit the wondrous island of Bohol.